Hi everyone, this is Gavin McMaster with Options Trading IQ, and this is a brief video tutorial on using the Interactive Brokers Trader workstation. For those of you who haven't used it before, it can be probably a little bit different to what you're used to from some of the other more mainstream brokers, but once you get used to it, it is a really good platform, and obviously the commissions are a lot lower than a lot of the mainstream brokers. So basically when you log in, you come into this portfolio screen. This is just a paper trading account, as you can see here. So you log into the portfolio screen here, and let's say we want to trade some options on the SPY. Just type in SPY here, hit enter, and then we can look at options, say the March contract 2011. Brings up all the option choices here. So you can choose to trade on any different exchange, but the easiest way to do it is just to choose Smart, and basically the system will pick whatever broker has the best execution price for you. So let's choose March 18th as the expiry. Let's say we want to buy some out of the money calls. Or we could, if we want to look at multiple strike prices, we can just hold down the shift key, do that, left click, and then here you just select each one, or you could hit select all here and then just add and OK. And there you go. So there's your option contracts there, with the bid and the ask price. So relatively straightforward. So let's say we wanted to buy this March 138 call. We would just scroll over the ask price, left click, and that will bring up our trade ticket here. So here we could trade, let's say we want to change it to 10 contracts, say we're willing to buy it for 5 cents, and then transmit. Then it brings up your standard sort of order confirmation entry. Got a message here saying the order size of 10 exceeds the limit of 5, but we'll just accept that. We'll change the limit to say 20. And it's showing us the amount there, estimated commission $9.50, and that's it. Okay, I guess because we're outside of market hours, it's not letting us put the order, but that basically gives you the idea. Some other functionality that you can use on here is the chart trader, so let's bring that up. Looks like it's brought up an options chain. So let's look at the stock. Now one really good functionality here is that with the chart trader you can right click. Let's say we do it down here. Say we were live in the market, we could right click down here, buy, and then left click here. Say we wanted to buy here, and then just right click, and then that brings up our order down here. Defaults to 100, we could change that to whatever we wanted. We could change it to, well, market price, we'll get rid of it actually. So we've got this one, we could do this 200 limit, or we could do any of these other types of trades as well. And then you could hit transmit, and then your order would be live in the market if it was during open hours. So that's a really cool functionality as well. And then you've got all your usual indicators here as well that you can add. It's just here we are, add study, stochastics. So we could add those, we could add, what else do we want to add? Moving average. So it's a really simple system to use once you sort of work your way around it. Let's put some Bollinger Bands on there as well. So there you go, and you can, and the other thing, if you want to adjust this price, you can just left click and drag it up or down to change your price as the market moves. So that's quite cool. And that's about it for now, I think.